how to mark as sent on Vinted. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can mark a product as sent on Vinted. Now, there are two ways of marking a product as sent on Vinted, and the major way is the automatic update. The thing is that whenever you send a product on Vinted, Vinted will automatically update the status of your item to sent once the mailing service scan it in. All right. Or if you dropped off the item at a store, it will reflect the status once collected. Okay. So for example, you got an order from someone and then you shipped the item. For example, let's say you went to your profile settings now, then you click on profile and you sold this particular product, that is, you shipped it to the person who got the product. Immediately you ship it and it gets to the address, the Vinted would automatically mark the item as sent. All right, as you can see, there are no options here to mark it. So Vinted will mark it automatically as sent so that you can easily know that the product has been sent. And also, whenever the mailing service carries it in, the status will also be changed. Also, you can keep in mind that it can take up to a couple of days for tracking to start after you have sent the item. All right, so be rest assured that your item is on its way and you receive payment once the buyer receives it and marks it as okay. So this is how you can mark an item as sent on Vinted. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.